Hello everyone, this is Adit Madel. Today we're gonna see how we can stop a Docker container automatically after a given interval of time. So if you know that we can't use shutdown command and restart command in Docker container because we don't have the access of systemd bus and we got this error. So to solve that issue, now first create a folder in desktop. Let's call it auto stop. After that, go to that folder. Now I'm going to create my Docker file, gedit Docker file. Now I'm using a Ubuntu image in that, so I'm using Ubuntu latest for that. Now I have to run apt update to update all the packages, and now I have to install OpenSSH server for the SSH connection inside the container. OpenSSH server -y. Now the thing is that in Docker container we have the process ID of 1, but we can't use that process ID by default. So for that I'm going to add one line in which we can automatically stop our container, like run echo bracket now sleep. Now if I want that my container automatically stop after of 1 minute, so I'm going to write sleep 1 minute, and then I want a message that our container is going to stop. So for that, echo containers stopping, and now I want a sleep of 10 seconds, so that after displaying my message container stopping, the process of stopping the container will initiate it. And now I have to use kill 1. So kill is basically a command to kill a process, and 1 is our process ID. Okay, and I want that all this thing will run in background mode, background process, so that we can use our container terminal also at the same time. So now we are gonna save it in /root/.bashrc file. Okay, so we have to add that line. So sleep is basically for the interval. After that we want our container to stop, and kill is the command which is going to kill our container, and 1 is the process ID. Okay, now I have to expose the port. So for SSH the port is 22, and then cmd start the SSH service and got the bash. Okay, now save it the file, and now time to build the image from that Docker file. Okay, so for that sudo docker build -t, I'm gonna name it auto stop, and dot is for the present directory. Okay, now Docker file is in the process. I got the error in that.
A few moments later.
Error, like it's the spacing error. After echo I have to space and then double quotation. Okay, so as you can see our image got created, auto stop. Now it's time to run our image. So for that, sudo docker run -it -p for port mapping. And now to get the process ID of 1 at the time of running the container, we have to use the flag -init. Without the -init flag, we can't be able to use a process ID of 1, and we can't able to automatically stop our container. And after that, the container name. Okay, now as you can see we are inside our container. So for that I open another terminal to run watch sudo docker ps command in that, so that we get the real-time update of what is happening. So yeah, our container will get created. It will up for 32 seconds, and we are inside our container. We can run any command we want, like ls pwd mkdir hello, anything we can run. Okay, now just see, after we have a interval of 1 minute. Okay, so I am just arranging it to the frame. Yeah, so 57 seconds, 59 seconds, and now we see after 1 minute we got the message of container stopping, as you can see. And after we also give an interval of 10 seconds before to now, as you can see, after 10 seconds our container will automatically stop. So yeah, in this way we can automatically stop our container. I'll put the code in the description, and I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, Adit Madel signing off.